Besides stowing our vehicles and equipment, we use our garages for building and fixing things and just puttering around. But that's no fun when it's cold. A garage heater can take the chill out of the air and improve the overall comfort of your space. There are many products available to choose best garage heater, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Comfort Zone Electric Ceiling Mounted Heater. This electric garage heater is a semi-permanent option that mounts on a ceiling or a wall. It either can be hardwired into the home electrical system or the user can fit it with a plug-in cord for a 30-amp outlet. The durable steel body of the heater is resistant to impact damage, and a dual-knob thermostat at the base of the heater makes it easy to control the temperature in the garage. While the Comfort Zone is a top-notch garage heater, setting it up was a bit of a mixed bag. Otherwise, the Comfort Zone was very easy to set up and it also put out plenty of heat. Also, removing the grill is very easy, making future cleanings a breeze. Number 2. Lasko 755320 Ceramic Space Heater. The Lasko electric convection heater is well suited for the garage or it can be used indoors. Just pick it up by the built-in handle and find a suitable location where there is an accessible power outlet. Once it's set up, the user can operate the heater with the control panel on the top of the heater or take advantage of the included remote. We also like that it came with a remote control for adjusting the temperature and swapping through modes. The oscillation mode is also nice for spreading a bit of heat over a larger area, like a workbench or a shop floor. We left it face down on the garage floor for over a minute and it just continued to heat. Number 3. Mr. Heater Portable Propane Radiant Heater. The beauty of the Mr. Heater Portable Buddy Heater is that you can take it on the go and position it close by for direct warmth. Measuring 14.25 x 9.15 inches and weighing about 9 pounds, it's one of the most lightweight and compact models on the market. Since it runs off a 20-pound propane cylinder, no electrical wiring or installation is required. This heater has some great safety features. It shuts off automatically if it's tipped over, the pilot light goes out, or low oxygen levels are detected. Thanks to the built-in O2 system, this clean-burning radiant heater is approved for indoor and outdoor use. And it can run for 3 hours at maximum BTU and 6 hours on low. Number 4. King KB24101B2 Eco KBE CO2's Garage Heater. To heat a large area, such as a 3-car garage, this powerful electric heater from King gets the job done. This unit delivers a whopping 10,000 watts and is capable of heating garages up to the size of half a tennis court. Compared with other models, King heaters are some of the most expensive. However, they are known for being eco-friendly and energy efficient. This heater utilizes a 2-stage heating process and automatically uses the lowest wattage to heat a room. For your convenience, the King heater comes equipped with a wall and ceiling bracket, thermostat, and an infrared remote control. Number 5. Dr. Infrared Heater Portable Space Heater Humidifier. The Dr. Infrared Electric Garage Heater comes with a programmable thermostat that has a range of 50 to 85 degrees and 3 different modes, including automatic, high, and low. It also can function as a humidifier, creating a cool mist from the top of the heater that helps prevent the air in the garage from becoming too dry. First, the humidifier is excellent, creating lots of water vapor. Second, the remote controls the humidifier, the oscillation, and the temperature, giving the user total control. Finally, the oscillating louvers make spreading heat about the garage a breeze. The only complaints are that, while portable, this model doesn't have a handle. Also, despite being so large, the dial can be difficult to read if it's not at eye level. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.